Every year, millions of children under the age of 5 die from preventable causes.
Here's what we can do to reduce child mortality.
Child mortality remains one of the most heartbreaking issues in the world today. Many children lost their lives to prevent disease, malnutrition, and lack of clean water.
This child is severely malnourished, without proper food, clean water, or vaccines. Her condition is getting worse, but this can be prevented.
Ensure children receive vaccinations to protect them from deadly diseases. Provide access to clean water and teach proper hygiene. Educate parents about the importance of breastfeeding and nutrition. Encourage regular health checkups to detect and treat illnesses early.
With simple solutions and support of our communities, we can save lives and give every child the chance to grow up healthy and strong. Together, we can make a difference. Join us in reducing child mortality today, supporting local health programs, spread awareness, and help create a brighter future for all children.